Hey guys, Steve from Internet City Computers Detroit here with my channel Fix It Right. We're going to show you how to upgrade some memory or change some memory in a Panasonic Toughbook FZ-55. So come on, let's go do it right now. So for the memory, simply take off this cover here. It's one Phillips screw. Put that aside so you do not lose it. Pop open this cover and here's your memory. Pull these ears out. Memory pops up. You pull it out. You can replace it or you can add to it. Here's another slot right here if you want to add memory if that one's empty. Once you're done, I recommend rebooting this thing just to make sure that it takes the memory. And then if it does, go ahead and put this cover back on and you are good to go. And you probably saved yourself about 50, 60 bucks. So if you liked that video and got anything out of it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and come back for more Fix It Right. Be sure to ring that bell so you get notified the next time we upload a video that's going to help you save some money. Until then, adios.